Hey, what's up, guys? Working on a project here today that I thought I'd try to record some of and see what you thought about it. Some of you may remember this. I made this on a video just maybe, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago, maybe longer than that. Let's go out here and take a look at it real quick, and we'll show you what we're doing. So I think this is 1.5" tubing, I believe, with a 1/4" wall. Or it might be 2" I can't remember. Anyway, so I want to make one of those little helper extensions that comes out and goes up, so that when I go to the metal store, I don't have to drag my trailer down there to get 12 foot, sections of tubing and so forth. And I've got to go get a piece of a 4x12 plate. I've got some thin wall 2x2 tubing, I think, in here. Let's see, there's a piece of it right there. That might be enough. There's actually 2 pieces of it right there. All right, hopefully you can see what's going on here. We're working with a pretty big shadow with the morning sun coming up, but so I know that normally, the plates are kind of up a little higher, and normally the plates kind of come up a little bit higher because I set them on on some cribbing in there to get the forks, because they run it up in there with a forklift, get the forks underneath it and out of it. So I need to allow for that, and also allow for a little bit of flex out here. So, I'm going to go, that's 17 inches, plus another inch for that hump there. And I'm going to go 4 more inches on that. So I need 21 inches from the inside of my miter there. So let's cut a piece 21 inches from the inside of the miter. All right, we got our piece cut out here. So let's get it welded up. All right, so we got that welded up, and now we're going to hop over in Fusion 360 and sketch up some strap holders, I guess you call it. They're going to be going on the ends of the tubes so that we can have ratchet straps, holding anything that's sticking out in this extension. So anyway, we're just in Fusion 360. If you've never used Fusion or any CAD program, when you get ready to make something, in 2D, it's really just as simple as standard geometric shapes that get sort of combined and meshed together to make the shape that you want. So as you can see, we're making a slot here, and there is a slotting command in Fusion 360, but you could also make it with 2 circles and 2 lines, and that's gonna that slot is gonna serve as our holder for the top part of the bracket that's gonna connect the end of the tube. So anyway, so we're gonna once we get finished here in Fusion 360 and get this cut, you see I'm just making the edges of that a little fatter. This is going to be 1/4 inch material, and we want to have plenty of strength there. So anyway, just doing some final dimensioning here, and then we're going to hop on the plasma table and get it cut out now. Whoops, as you can see, I did not have things lined up that great. So let's try it again. All right, guys, I lost some of the footage on doing the final weld up and fit up, but you get the idea. Everything worked out well. Went up to Dallas yesterday. Today, Saturday morning. The first bit of footage you saw was on Thursday morning, and then Friday morning I went up and, and got this for a project. So I have there's one 4x12 1/4 inch sheet of 5052 aluminum on there, and one 4x8 sheet of 3/16 5052. So yeah, so you can see I got all the ties on there, but you can see I got one strap going across that way and one wrapped around just to hold it up there, and it worked out well. I'm pleased with it. All right, guys, that's a wrap on this video.